Now let's add an image to our form. Again, from the drop-down menu, this time press Add Image. There are many different options, but I'm going to use Search. So I'm going to search Google. And select my image. You notice you'll also be given the URL address of where the image came from. So you can copy that as well. And press Select. And give the image a title. For the sake, we'll just call it image for now. And then you can add a title and description. Here I'm going to put in the address for where it came from. And I'm going to say, ask me to say to my students, view the image and answer the question below. So that would just add a question. And this time, what we can do is use a drop-down box. So I could say, what are the highest users of and this time option 1 to cool. Let's choose others. Right, let's have a look and see how that looks. Okay, so this time it's a drop down box. Okay, let's press the edit form in the corner here. Let's go back into the question. And of course we've got to do the answer key and do the feedback again. Just to make this quick, let's just do incorrect and correct and save. Let's give it some points. And I think we're about done.